Life is a common journey, which all of us travel. It is mapped with destination points that have marked milestones across the distances and across the years that have come and gone. Some travel safely, some travel far, and for some of us, it has led us across the sky. But by what standard do the best among us value the worth of their days? By what force of value or choice have they kept their lives fixed on a straight line? A line which across the distances from destination points keeps them committed to where their intimate relations are rooted, to the people who have made the difference and shared the journey, to those who have been reached and appreciated the calm manner that has welcomed them. The flight of one's journey may also lead to interesting and complicated turns. Full of the spice of the modern techno-savvy world, at times getting through it requires precision maneuvering just to keep internal bearings in focus. Life is hard work. It is best traveled with a demeanor that is sleek and efficient, with a mind and a system that is flexible and resilient. It is best savored when looking back at the distances that have already been covered. As yet a destination is reached, our internal engines prep once again for the next journey. For those who look back at the distance they have already gone and find just reason to smile and say, "I have traveled far," ask them how high it has been. For sure, there are only few who could claim that it has been high enough to touch the skies.
I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They're really saying, "I love you." I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
It's a wonderful life that I had.